Alright, so today, guys, I'm going to be playing with my butterfly knife. And plus, let's get this video to 1.8k views like we did a couple videos. And please stop commenting on my videos and saying they're cringy. I just started. And I know they're cringy. But stop doing that because it's because it really hurts my feelings. But still, let's get right into the video. So today I'm going to be teaching you some butterfly knife tricks with Lego. So first, you want to bring it over, so it's like this, against your hand, then that, then grab that like this. I'll show you full. Just like that. And so, I'm sorry if I'm moving it so much. It's just because I have a tablet and everything. I don't have the camera yet. Oh yeah, everybody, the video's done. I'm sorry it was not that long, but Merry Christmas.